Who are you speaking with? The name, entity, or the flesh and blood?
Sir, whether I'm talking to the flesh and blood or name entity, I'm talking to both of y'all at the same time. For Strickland.
How you doing, sir?
I'm fine. Has Mr. Strickland spoken? Has he spoken to his attorney yet?
No, he hasn't.
Okay. She's in a breakout room with another person, and as soon as she's done with that person, I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Strickland. So it'll be a few minutes, okay?
Okay, sir. I just want to let you know he's not consenting to do a video arraignment.
So what is he consenting to do?
I'm getting him his paper. Is there any paper clips or anything?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the court, sir.
I don't consent to the thing. I'm asking why they can't bring me.
Okay, hold on. Does he want to speak to an attorney first?
Yeah, well, let's have him speak to an attorney first. You have to speak to an attorney. You have to.
Hold on. Mr. Strickland? Mr. Strickland, can you hear me?
I don't need an attorney.
This is the judge.
Okay, Mr. Strickland,
Open the door.
can you hear me?
Can you hear
Oh,
me?
you don't want to hear me.
Sir, can you hear me?
What?
Mr. Strickland, this is
All right.
Magistrate William Burden. Good morning. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Do you want to speak with an attorney?
Who are you speaking with? The flesh and blood man with a name? Because that's what I'm trying to find out right now, Judge. Who are you speaking with? The name, entity, or the flesh and blood?
I'm speaking to the person that's talking to me right now.
I am executive of the name entity. That's who you're talking to right now. Do you understand? I am the executor of the name entity. I demand to be released on my own recognizance. I have right here, Judge. You see this, Judge? And then I also have a UCC1 in the name entity. So y'all trying to run a lien on the name, that's illegal. Who are you trying to conversate with? The name entity or the flesh and blood man?
You tell
I demand
me.
to be released on my own recognizance. I have a UCC1 here. I've laid claim to the name entity through the Secretary of State and the federal government. Here it is right here, the Secretary of State, Jocelyn.
Okay. Sir?
It's right here, Lincoln. To the flesh and blood man or the name
Sir?
I'm trying to ask.
Sir?
This moment is crucial. The judge asks a straightforward yes or no question, do you want an attorney? And the defendant says no, not just that, he explicitly refuses legal representation and even the hearing itself. That's a dangerous move. In criminal proceedings, waiving your right to counsel can have serious consequences, especially if you don't fully understand courtroom procedures.
Sir, whether I'm talking to the flesh and blood or name entity, I'm talking to both of y'all at the same time. Do either of you want to speak to an attorney?
No, sir.
Okay.
And I don't consent to an attorney. I don't consent to be in no hearing.
Sir, I just asked you one question. I just need one answer.
And I don't consent.
Okay, I know that.
So who are you speaking with? The flesh and blood man or the name entity?
I'm speaking to both of y'all. I'm speaking to both of y'all at the same time. How about that?
You can't.
Now, sir, I know you want me to release you.
Here it is.
Are you gonna let me talk?
Here.
Are you gonna let me talk? Sir?
Sir?
Are you gonna let me talk? I got some questions for you.
I'm here without consent.
Put the paperwork down,
Don't
sir.
consent to this.
I know you don't consent to this. You want the court to release you, is that correct?
Yeah.
Want to release you? The entity or the person in the flesh? Which one?
Flesh and blood man. I own the entity, so it's gonna be released anyway.
All right. Now,
For UCC1, everything.
if you don't, when I talk, you listen. If you don't want to talk to an attorney and you don't want to be arraigned today, we're going to put you over to tomorrow. You understand that?
So we already been through this. I am the executive of the account.
Okay. Have a good day, sir.
What we just witnessed is a textbook example of how unconventional legal arguments collide with structured courtroom procedure. The defendant attempted to separate himself into a flesh and blood individual and a name entity, claiming authority over one and rejecting jurisdiction over the other. But courts operate on recognized legal identities, not abstract interpretations. The judge remained composed, focused on due process, and ultimately postponed the arraignment due to non-cooperation. The takeaway: refusing to engage with the legal system doesn't stop it. It only delays and often worsens your situation. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.